Riley, what are you doing? Come on. Riley. Come on. Come to mama. Hey. Come on. Come here. Come here. There you go. Come on. Let's go to mama. Come on.
Come on. Come on.
Tell your doctor if you have a history of infections or symptoms
Yeah.
of infection.
Get up.
Talk to your
Get up.
neurologist about Vitrol
Go.
and get you your
Let's go.
promotion.
Bye. Bye. Come on. Riley, baby. Riley. What you doing?
Come on. Let's go outside. Come on.
Wanna go outside? Wanna go outside? Huh? Huh? What do you want? What do you want? Wanna go outside? Yay! That's my boy.
That's my boy. Say hello. Say hello. Say hello. What's up? Tumain na naman ko. Let's go outside. I'm going outside. So we're here outside. Hmm? What do you want? Ay! Riley's here! Outside! Let's go. Where you wanna go? Where you wanna go, Riley? Ay! Look at the weather. It's very nice, Riley. Right? Look at the weather. It's very nice. Very nice. Where you wanna go? Hmm? You wanna go to park again? La 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 la. Weather is very nice, Riley. That is why you're bugging me. Hello, hello, Riley. Hello, Riley. Shh. Hello. What's up? Ay, that's your. Oh, what's that handsome bird? Hi, very handsome. It's very handsome. Say hi, Riley. Hi, Mama. What's up? Where you wanna go? Kiss Mama. Kiss Mama. Kiss. Baby kiss. Ay! Wait, what is that? What's that noise? What's that noise? What do you think? What do you think? What's that noise? Oh my goodness. That's the kidnappers. They're gonna kidnap you. Birdnap. Birdnap. Me and my bird outside playing. Ay! What's up? What's up? Let's go back.